how to buy Apple Music with Apple Gift Card. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Pipan Bisnath, and today I'll guide you on how you can buy Apple Music with Apple Gift Card. Now, if you wanna buy the music on the Apple Music, you'll have to redeem it first, right? Your gift card. Now to do so first, you'll have to find the 16-digit code on the back of the card. Once you have the 16-digit code, you can open up Apple Music, then tap on the profile icon there on the screen. In my case, you can see at the top right here. Once you tap on it there, now you can see the redeem gift card or code option. You can tap on it, and once you tap on it, now you can enter in your code here. Now it'll ask you to either use camera, or you can select enter code manually, and then you can enter in the code and then tap on redeem, and now you can use it to buy music within the Apple Music. So this way you can redeem the Apple gift card to buy Apple Music. Hope this helped you. To like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.